If you've ever taken methylfolate, methyl B12, or tyrosine, and they made you feel worse or more anxious, COMT could be part of the explanation. Hi, I'm Dr. Kwame, a physician and co-founder of Livewello. In episode 1 and 2, we discussed the methylation and transsulfuration pathways for MTHFR and CBS. Today, we're moving on to COMT, the gene that controls how quickly your brain clears dopamine. By the end of the episode, you understand what COMT does and the difference between its slow and fast versions. Dopamine is a chemical messenger in the brain carrying signals between brain cells. These signals help with focus, motivation, and how your body responds to stress. Once a signal has been delivered, the brain needs to switch that signal off so it will be able to process the next one. The system needs to reset. In the brain, COMT is one of the enzymes that does this. It attaches a methyl group to dopamine, which deactivates it and marks it for removal. The same thing happens with stress hormones norepinephrine and epinephrine. COMT clears the signal so the next message can fire and be handled properly. The effects of COMT in the brain are most pronounced in the area called the prefrontal cortex. This area handles focus, working memory, planning, and staying calm under pressure. In most other parts of the brain, dopamine is cleared quickly by transporters, but the prefrontal cortex has very few of these transporters, so the brain instead relies heavily on COMT to do this job. That means how fast your COMT works determines how the dopamine behaves. One genetic variant, V158M, changes how fast COMT works. In this variant, an amino acid, valine, is swapped for another amino acid, methionine, at position 158 in the COMT enzyme. That swap makes the enzyme less stable at normal body temperature, which means it's broken down faster and works more slowly than normal. There are 3 genotype combinations: Val-Val, or 2 copies of valine, Met-Met, or 2 copies of methionine, and Val-Met. Val-Val produces the most stable and fastest enzyme, while Met-Met produces the least stable and slowest enzyme. Met-Met clears dopamine approximately 3 to 4 times slower than Val-Val. Val-Met is somewhere in between. About 25% of people carry 2 fast copies and another 25% carry 2 slow copies. These proportions vary by ancestry, with the Met variant being more common in European populations. In Met-Met individuals, after dopamine is released in the prefrontal cortex, COMT takes longer to clear it, so the signal doesn't go away immediately. It continues to remain active. Under calm conditions, that longer dopamine signal in the prefrontal cortex is often an advantage. Your focus and working memory can remain sharp. But under stressful conditions, the picture changes. Stress triggers a surge of dopamine, along with a surge of the stress hormones norepinephrine and adrenaline. COMT now has much more work to do in clearing the excessive signals, and it's already clearing slowly due to the abnormal variants. So the signal stays elevated for much longer, and that is the core effect of the Met-Met COMT variant. For people with this slow Met-Met genotype, the most common pattern isn't a stronger stress response, it's a slower recovery. A difficult conversation ends, the deadline passes, the problem is resolved, but dopamine and adrenaline have still not been cleared out, so the brain remains in a stressed out state for longer. That's why people describe replaying conversations, overthinking decisions, or finding it difficult to switch off. The event has ended, but the chemistry that supported that stress response is still settling. People with a fast Val-Val genotype tend to recover more quickly. Dopamine and adrenaline are cleared sooner, so the brain returns to its baseline more rapidly. Neither genotype is better. Each has advantages in different situations. The next episode explains why this is. This COMT variant is included in raw data files from 23andMe, AncestryDNA, and in the Livewello DNA Kit. In your raw data file, AA genotype corresponds with Val-Val, the fast enzyme, while AG is Val-Met, the intermediate enzyme, and GG is Met-Met, the slow enzyme. In your Livewello, you can ask a question such as, what is my COMT genotype? And it will return your results and give you clinical context alongside other variants. In summary, COMT clears dopamine norepinephrine, and epinephrine. The prefrontal cortex relies on it almost exclusively. The V158 variant slows that clearance by a factor of 3 to 4. Slow clearance means the signal stays active longer after it fires. Under calm conditions, the effect is often neutral or beneficial. Under stressful conditions, the effect becomes a constraint. Thank you for watching this episode. I should remind you that this is educational content only, and genetic variants often describe tendencies. They do not diagnose you. In the next episode, I'll explain why the same COMT variant that sharpens focus at rest causes anxiety under stress. If you found this episode useful, please share it with someone who is having challenges with anxiety, stress, and response to certain supplements.